Hello, welcome. My name is CG6. Today we are going to learn about Access. We're going to show you how to make auto restart of your app. So this will help you if you have backend and the front end, and you want to reconnect your database automatically. If you have learned about that, I have a tutorial of reconnecting your database automatically. So after refreshing your database, you will close up, so then and automatically restart it. So I have won this form here for demonstration with the one button. It's written as restart, so we must put some of codes and a bat file. So first of all, we must have the bat file, and we must trigger the restart of bat file. Then the bat file will trigger the restart of our application. So first of all, we must create a code. Within the code, we must create a function. So we start with the first function. We must have two functions. First function is for triggering a bat file. So our function is ShellExe okay, batFilePath, batFilePath, okay, is a string, and this is Boolean. Then the statement within this function is ShellExe equals to shell, then brackets CMD.EXE, okay, /C double quotes and batFilePath. So this is, oh no, I forgot to put a brackets here. So this is our first function. The second function is the function to create a bat file. To function or create bat file. Then we declare some variables. bat file path is string. Also access file is string, brackets, declare dim iFile is file. No, not as file, it is as long, because the file is long. Also, we must specify for iFileNum, not iFiles. iFileNum is long. Then iFileNum iFileNum equals to freeline, okay, FreeFile. Oh, not FreeFile, FreeFile. Then we open a batFile, open batFilePath, open batFilePath for output. For output is /iFileNum. Okay. Then we start printing our code from our batFile. Our code, we use print function, print iFileNum. This iFileNum, then double quotes, echo of, double quotes, then print iFileNum, double quotes, timeout. We make it timeout for equal to 5 seconds. Okay, print iFileNum, iFileNum. Then you make it replace. We use replace function, replace, and expression is a string, start forward slash, then okay, capital I, yes, then you put this sign, application, or brackets .exe, okay, brackets, okay, you put this sign, double quotes, and AccessFile, and double quote, we put this sign, double quotes, comma, double quotes, we put this sign, double quotes, comma, character 34, then comma 1, then in brackets. Then here down we close iFileNum. Okay, here we have echo. So when we learn create batFile, the batFile will be written as echo, the code within the batFile, echo timeout, and replace the location of our database. So here down for our here down here, we must first you want when we click when we click this start, okay, when you click this, we want our application close and reopen it again automatically. So after all, we must put some code here to restart button. So down here we put some code. So we call our function, our first function here, to create a batFile. When we click the create, it will create the batFile. So we call our function CreateBatFile. This CreateBatFile, yes, CreateBatFile. Okay, then brackets. So we must put the batFilePath as a string. Also we must put the AccessFile as a string. So a batFile, we want batFile to be created to our location, to the source location. So our source location is here. Okay, source location is here. Okay, I just want to compare. So our source location is here, so we must copy the location of this. Is here, copy, then we come to our batFile. So we have copied our location, then we come here to create batFile, then we paste here. Okay, after pasting here, this is batFile location. Okay, then we close, then so our file, we must put here a name of the batFile, like so. Put our name of batFile. We put a restart. We want to be named as restart.bat. Okay, then we close parenthesis, we close double quote, then we put comma, then we put the source, the access file. So we go to our location. Okay, we can paste this, then our file is access note. We go and copy it. Okay, this one. Okay, copy, then here paste here .accdb. Don't forget that. Then you close the parentheses. Okay, brackets, we forget to put the brackets here, then we put the brackets here. Okay, CreateBatFile. Okay, see this one, expected. There is some error here, I want to fix it. Restart batFile. Okay, this one. Okay, we must remove this. We're supposed to remove brackets, yeah, like this. Then after that, we must, after creating the batFile to that location, then we must call for the batFile. So to call the batFile, we use the function shell. We call this function here. Okay, so okay, shell. Okay, shell equals shell. We must call shell ShellExe brackets. Then we put the full path of the batFile. Okay, the full path is here. Let's copy this one, then paste here. Then here is restart dot bat. Okay, forget the brackets here. Okay, now so we want to, if we place the, so after calling that, we must quit the access to show if our CMD, our application is, or our code is working. Quit. So when we click restart, the bat file will be created at that location. Then the ShellExe will call up for the CMD file and execute the bat file. Then we'll call up for the location of the database to open it. So debugger. So we must test here now to see if our bat file will be created. Now let's run this. So our location is here now. This is our location. So and the bat file it must be created here. So let's just click here. So it's saying, oh, file not found. Okay, let's fix it. Okay, now we go. We have fixed it. We misspelled this access file here. We are putting like this access, we forgetting to put the C. Okay, so that's where the mistake. Okay, this is our code now. So let's go and let's delete this bat file created, then and test our code again. So here is our form. So when we run this, we expect to our application to create the bat file within the location. Okay, then we'll trigger that bat file to initiate our application again. So let's create. So you see we have bat file here, then we wait after 5 seconds, our application will restart. So this is how you can make your application to restart manual, automatically like this. For will help may be helpful for you to restart when you're reconnecting your database. After reconnecting, you must close your application to refresh the link for the connection. So after refreshing the link of the connection, so you must, when you close or reconnect, it will close automatically and reopen automatically like this. So I can click that button, then my application will be opened automatically like that. Thank you. My name is CreateBatFile. Don't forget to subscribe, write and comment if you have any convenience. This space more important. This space from here, so I will put the code, then you copy it and paste to your code editor and modify these links according to the location of your database. Thank you. My name is CreateBatFile. Welcome, 6 Graphics.